heading to our first car show, the Ambassador. I got the Jeep with the doors off, top down, ready to go. We'll see how many cars are already here. It's supposed to be quite a show already. We'll see. Ah, that coolest car. That car is cool. Alright, here we go. We'll close off the whole section of town for us. Nice. Here we go. It's going to be a great Saturday, man. Nice.
Really cool. That's a
What do you think, guys?
Cool car.
Which one?
That one right
That's
here.
a Jeep.
I know.
There's supposed to be, oh, look at all the Jeeps. There's a whole bunch of them this time. Nice. Right on.
And which one do you like? Which one? I like the red one.
Yeah, the red one fired.
Exactly. Oh, there's my muscle.
As I'm sitting in the back, waiting.
We got to go down to the end, guys. We're ready?
Let's go.
Yours too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, that's hers, man.
Oh, that's hers. Okay.
Yeah, I bought that 34 years ago for $100.
No shit. That'll do. It's fine right where it's at, sir.
No. Excellent. Y'all have a great day. Praying for you, praying for the world. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Ah, awesome. That's such a cool. Ooh, look at that one. Nice. Gonna be a good car show, guys. Look at all them
Some
Jeeps.
cool cars here.
Yeah.
And cool.
Bunch of Corvettes.
Oh, whoa. Hold up. What is that?
How you doing?
Pretty cool.
Wow, that's cool. Look, dude. A McLaren. Holy cow, it's a McLaren. That's cool.
Have I ever seen those before? I don't know.
No.
Oh my God. Let's go. It's the pickle car.
Look,
Let's go.
that's what's going to happen if your arms or legs go out of the Jeep while we're driving. I will never take the back doors off, just the front. Get it? Got it? Good.
Oh, do all the naked Jeeps go on this pile?
Yep, all the Jeeps are back here.
Dang. Well, I really like the flag. The flag part was a big deal. That's what happens when you're in a Wrangler.
Yeah.